Hello, science fans! Have you ever heard that humans only use 10% of their brains? It's a popular idea, but is it true? The truth is that 10% story is one of the biggest myths out there. When we look at real brain science, a much more fascinating picture emerges. Today we'll explore where this myth came from, why people believe it, and what neuroscientists have actually discovered. By the end, you'll see your brain is already doing incredible things every single day, no secret unlocking required. Ready to bust this myth? Let's dive in. Before we tackle the myth, let's appreciate how busy your brain really is. Your brain is the control center working 24/7, even when you're asleep. It manages everything: waking up, moving, eating, thinking, feeling, and remembering. Even sitting quietly, your brain keeps your heart beating and lungs breathing. It's like a supercomputer, library, and emotional compass all in one. The idea that this powerhouse only uses 10% of its capacity just doesn't add up. Every moment, your brain is multitasking at an incredible level. It's clear your brain is always on the job. So where did the 10% myth start? It's a bit of a mystery. Some say it began with early psychologists like William James, who spoke about untapped mental potential, not unused brain matter. Early brain scientists misunderstood glial cells, thinking they were useless. But now we know they're essential support staff for neurons. Pop culture really spread the myth. Movies and books love the idea of unlocking hidden brain power. It's a catchy story, but repetition doesn't make it true. Motivational speakers and ads ran with it, promising easy self-improvement. In reality, it's just a fun piece of fiction mistaken for fact. Time to retire this myth for good. Let's look at the real science. Modern tools like fMRI and PET scans show that we use virtually all parts of our brain, just not all at once. Different areas light up for different tasks: listening to music, reading, or solving problems. Think of your brain like a city. Different neighborhoods are active at different times, but all are important. If the 10% myth were true, brain injuries wouldn't matter much, but even small injuries can have huge effects. Every part of your brain has a job. There are no unused sections just waiting to be activated. The evidence is clear: your whole brain is in use. Science shows a complex, coordinated system at work. The myth just doesn't hold up. Why do we love the 10% myth? It gives us hope. Maybe we have hidden superpowers waiting to be unlocked. It's comforting to think our limitations aren't our fault, just untapped potential. The myth promises an easy shortcut to genius, which is more appealing than hard work. It's also a handy excuse for forgetfulness or mistakes. Ultimately, it's a modern fable that speaks to our desire for self-improvement. While the story is powerful, the real path to a better brain is effort and learning. The good news: there are real ways to boost your brain, no magic required. Let's focus on what actually works. What if you used 100% of your brain at once? It sounds cool, but it would be chaos. Imagine every neuron firing at the same time, like an orchestra playing every note at once. It's not a symphony, it's noise. You'd experience total sensory overload, every thought and memory at once. In reality, this is what happens during a seizure. A medical emergency, not a superpower. Our brains are efficient, activating only what's needed for each task. The real genius is in coordination, not overdrive. So next time you see a movie about unlocking 100% of the brain, remember, science works differently. True brain power is about balance and teamwork. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy, even though it's only 2% of your weight. Evolution wouldn't waste that much energy on an organ that's mostly idle. The brain is divided into specialized areas: vision, movement, language, and more. Each part does its job and they work together efficiently. When you read, you don't need the bike riding part of your brain. This specialization saves energy and boosts performance. The brain uses all its parts, just not all at once. It's a model of smart management. The real superpower of your brain isn't hidden potential, it's neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means your brain can change, adapt, and rewire itself throughout life. Every time you learn or practice something new, your brain forms and strengthens connections. This is how you develop skills and recover from injuries. The more you challenge your brain, the stronger it gets. Neuroplasticity is the science-backed way to unlock your potential. No magic tricks, just learning, practice, and curiosity. Your brain's ability to grow is its true superpower. Use it, challenge it, and watch it adapt. Want to help your brain thrive? It's all about healthy habits. Get enough sleep. Your brain cleans and repairs itself while you rest. Exercise boosts blood flow and encourages new brain cell growth. Eat a balanced diet with fruits, veggies, and healthy fats for top performance. Keep your brain active, learn new things, solve puzzles, and stay curious. Challenge your mind regularly to encourage neuroplasticity. Treat your brain well, and it will reward you with resilience and sharpness. That's the real recipe for a superpowered brain. So, science explores the 10% brain myth is officially busted. Brain scans, energy use, and injury studies all show we use our whole brain. The myth started from misunderstandings and pop culture, but the truth is even more amazing. Your brain is a dynamic, ever-changing system with the power of neuroplasticity. You don't need to unlock anything, you just need to take care of what you have. Stay curious, active, and healthy, and your brain will keep getting better. Share the truth. Your brain is already incredible. Science replaces myths with even more exciting facts. Keep asking questions and exploring. There's always more to discover. Consider this myth busted.